Come on guys, welcome to Show Me 10. Don't go anywhere and don't miss it because everything's happening right now at the shop. We got flags, trucks, more trucks, boats, jet skis, cars. What do you want to see? Let's start with the flag. This thing is full America. If you don't love America, then you don't want to look at this, okay? Probably if you don't love America, just go ahead and shut this thing off. Hit the frowny thumbs down face for me. But if you love America, hit like. This is a Ford Mustang. We tinted the headlights. We tinted the car before. We tinted the marker lights. I think we even installed this little flag thing for him. I don't know. We definitely made this full Americana style. Homemade right here at the Show Me Tent. Made it in-house, put it on in-house. Nick threw it on. Dope. Oh, we tinted the tail lights back here, making it sexy. No big deal, right? Easy. This guy's a cool cat. He's been here a bunch of times. We love it. We love America. It rocks. Rock out for summer, baby. I'm ready. You guys want to see this big thing? Thing is super cool. I love this. It's like 1,000 feet tall, pretty much. Hang on. I'll get up there. Don't worry. Yeah, there it is. You can see this is a trophy winner, several different trophies. So we're doing something different with this one. We've already tinted it out ceramic window film. We're gonna do some paint protection film on the rockers, protecting these bad boys from those big ass wheels and tires. 26s, baby. 26s, as high as my Dix is. Oh, he had us wrap. This is super crazy. I've never done this before. I don't even know if it's gonna work properly. But we wrapped the, whatever you call it, the drive shaft. Look at that. I don't know if that's, I told the guys, like, I don't know if it's gonna mess with the balance or not, but if you wanna pay me to do it, I'll do it for you. Ramon, we laid him down there. We rolled him in there with a little cart. It wasn't too bad. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're doing paint protection, we're doing ceramic coating. We're doing, we're like doing reverse chrome delete, but not a chrome delete. See all this black? We ordered a special thing in that's gonna color match the black plastic to the white. Wild. Stay tuned, it's gonna happen. And we're also gonna do the back of the step area. This has to be all paint protection. This has to be ceramic coated. These, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make these white. And honestly, this is a memorial for his son, for Jordy. So he's building this for his son, passed away in a car accident. So, and, you know, we're taking a lot of pride in doing this for him, and honestly, we're glad he chose us to do it. So, you know, we really hope to meet his standards, which I know we're gonna exceed what he has. So we're looking forward to doing it for him and giving him exactly the different look that he's looking for, not your typical chrome delete. So yeah, we're excited about that. I'm gonna drive it here in a minute. It's gonna be fun to weasel it up into the shop. This girl has so many mixed emotions. See all this stuff? Like, you matter to someone, not me. Booty, what the duck? So much stuff going on. This thing is a deal. So I don't know how much to tell you about this one because I'm not like one of those people, but like they had it wrapped at another shop. The guy had it there, I guess, for like 2 months or something ridiculous. Coming from the customer, this is the information I received. She tried to get some of this stuff fixed, which is, you know, what I would ask of anybody, because wrap, sometimes you have an issue, it doesn't stick. I would want you to come back and give us the opportunity to fix it. Well, I guess she brought it back there a couple times, and then he basically said, don't bring it back again. Which with like big bubbles like this, you know what I mean? Especially it's been done less than 6 months, this should not be a thing. I'm gonna be honest with you, this should be an inlay because of the high ridge. That should have been done with an inlay. This film's a little thicker than most, so it needs a little special attention. Can we fix it? Yes. But it's, you know, I felt bad for her. She was almost in tears because she had spent all this money to get this wrapped, still having a lot of issues with it. So asked us to take care of it for her, which of course we're gonna do that for her. One of the worst things I saw on this thing is just like, I mean, look at this. Like, bro, come on. Like, if you're out there and you have to put this kind of thing, a patch like this on your wrap, just redo the panel, man. It doesn't take that long to redo it. Like, I honestly had to redo stuff. I made a mistake once in my life. It sucked. I remember making that one, but there's like layered patches on there or something. I just wouldn't do that. You know what I mean? Like, just redo it. But we're gonna fix it up for them. They'll be super happy. We'll knock it out of the park. We're working it right now. You know what I mean? So it's happening. Oh, we're doing the Show Me Tent special package of paint protection, front clip, rockers, ceramic coating, lifetime. This guy is super fun. Ceramic Pro 9H. It's pretty cool. You know, making it super shiny. This guy had never done this product before. He's pretty cool, actually, considering kind of misplaced his key for just like a couple hours. You know, and I had to call him and be like, dude, I lost your key. And he was like, I've got one more, but don't lose this one because this is the only one I got. We found it, yeah. We had a new office person and she had misplaced it in a different packet. And so it's super scary for us when everything never happens. They got all this knocked out. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Man, we're wrapping all kinds of stuff this year. We got all kinds of stuff. We got wraps going on down there. You guys want to see the Moomba boat? The Moomba fresh print that we designed ourselves. The wakeboard boat. Let's go check it out. It's summertime. Do you want to wakeboard surf with me? Wake surf? wakeboard surf, wake surfboard, wake surf. Let's just go wake surfing. All right, let's not even check out the boat. Let's just go wake surfing. Guys, we're down in the tent shop. Welcome to Show Me Tent. My guys are working back there super hard. Yeah, they look super focused. No good, no bueno. That means the tent got messed up. Honestly, that is the first time I've ever seen these guys make a mistake in their entire life. That's the first one. Yeah, from all that cool air you guys got in here. Yeah, it must have been some glue residue from the previous windshield. Let me show you this boat. Ramon, you never trimmed out this porthole thing. Oh my God. So let me just tell you a little bit about it. I'm not happy. So it has Moomba on both sides. You want to see the other side? Because it's done. So the guy they were chrome letters and he wanted them black. I said, no problem, sir. So I peeled them off here and made them black. When we peeled them off, my guy said, hey, you're missing an M. And I came down here and I found it down here. I was like, bro, here's the M. We're done. Then got them all black, brought them down here. The same guy says, bro, you're missing an M. I'm like, no, you are. He's like, it would have been there. I'm like, you've lost an M twice. This time we cannot find it. I had to order a whole new set of letters. The only reason the boat's still here, I overnighted Moomba letters. They'll be here tomorrow. $400, something like that. Cuts into the profit pretty hard. My favorite is the pink splashes. I always like how they put this tent up there like they're gonna come back for it. So all the splashes, we went back and forth a couple times on that. Dude wanted the skulls. Wife added some pink at the end. I really liked the pink that she added. It looks really cool. Cool design. We wrapped all the way over the rub rail. We went all the way underneath this. The front, I bring it back up here. The front came together really nicely, like where it V's together. The design, it was actually two different pieces that we brought together to kind of make it look like one big wrap. Tinted the windows with some ceramic 5. Ready for the lake, baby. Memorial Day weekend. You'll see him out at Table Rock Lake, Branson, Missouri. Yeah, you'll see me out there like this. That's my jet ski. My friend's gonna be behind me like this. Wait for me. I can't hear you. Go faster. Get an RXP. Ramon's now starting his next wrap. And this is one of our guy, Empire Roofing. How's it going, Jamon? He's sleeping in the zone right now. Isn't that fun looking? So these go matte black and satin black in the front. And then they do the rest of the vehicle white, graphics on them. Seen a bunch of these on our pages, the Empire Roofing Company. We like these guys. They're super cool. Rudy and Carlos. Nope, we're not selling the C1 because this is my baby girl. I drove her down here the other week. I'm charging the battery right now. I'm gonna take her home. Maybe not tonight, but this weekend. We're getting the boat tonight, bringing it back up. Do you want me to help Ramon? He's freaked out. I'm getting really upset.
No, get out of here.
See?
Don't even fucking start fucking touching stuff.
See? Every time I just touch it, he'll freak out. Like he doesn't want me to touch it at all. Guys, thanks for checking us out. We appreciate you very much. Thank you very much. Look forward to a lot of projects this summer. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna do a lot of cars, boats, tractors, trucks. Check it out. See what's going on. See what mess up. We might mess something up.